Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and having great time at home. I welcome you all to the Smart School e-lesson classroom. Let's see what are we going to do today. We will practice some zigzag lines to develop our fine motor skills. So, let's begin the class. After watching the video, you need to practice making some lines on the green. Everyone,